Hello and welcome back to the Family Day Trippers. I'm George Wheeland. You join us for our third and final day here at PortAventura in Salou, Spain. Today you've got a two-park special. We're spending this afternoon. We've arrived here at about 12 o'clock today, just because we're having a bit of a morning off, a bit of a chilled morning, and we've done most of everything we wanted to do over the past couple of days. So a bit of a later start, a bit of a lie-in today. So 12 o'clock. So for a few hours we're going to be at PortAventura. We're going to start off by watching Bang Bang West, the Western Stunt Show, then hopefully getting on the blue side of Stampede, re-riding Shambhala, maybe a couple of other rides. Then at 4 o'clock we'll be heading to Ferrari Land to spend a few hours there to ride Red Force and the other rides hopefully a few times. So that's the plan for today. I'll see you in the park. Right, so we just had a lovely spiedalo, which is a like potato crisp on a stick. Very nice, wasn't it, Shane?
Crisp on a stick, very nice.
Yeah, and now we're here going to watch Bang Bang West. We sat down, hopefully we've got a good seat. The Western Stunt Show. There's fire, there's everything you can want from a stunt show, and I'm sure you might see a few highlights. So we just watched Bang Bang West, the Western Stunt Show, and what a brilliant show.
Fantastic.
So brilliant, absolutely amazing. The stunt, well, the pre-show was really funny. With that guy, if you've watched it before, you know I'm on a, oh my God, hang on a minute, we're going under a rope here.
There you go, you walk around the rope.
Oh, we can walk around it. Picks a random person from the audience to join the show. That's really funny. I don't think you really had a clue what's going on, the guy who got picked, but anyway.
He was Italian, wasn't he?
Yeah, he was Italian, so it was a bit of a language barrier. It's like me going to do it who doesn't speak any Spanish. Really good, lots of special effects, lots of really cool stunts, and even though we couldn't understand it, that made it more special, sort of trying to guess. But anyway, next, if it's not too long, we're going to do Stampede, but if it is, maybe Shambhala, maybe who knows. We've just been on Shambhala front row. What a spectacular ride. Oh my God, really, really good. So good. Front row, I know. And loads of hang up at the start, and you really got pushed up into all the airtime. Loads of airtime. Oh, just brilliant. Can't describe how good that was. But I think now we're going to make our slow stroll into Ferrari Land. We're just entering Ferrari Land now. We had a good transfer from part to part, no problems with the tickets. And yeah, I'll see you on whatever ride we get on first. So we've just been on Red Force and it was interesting, wasn't it? It didn't look the height that it was meant to be, did it?
It's not as good as Stealth. The speed is taken away because it's a rolling launch.
Yeah, and it was also very rattly as well, wasn't it?
Pretty rattly,
Yeah.
but it was, it was good, but
Not as good as it's meant to be, I think.
well, I don't know. How good is it supposed to be?
Well, better than South, which is certainly wasn't.
No, definitely not better than Stealth.
But yeah, it was alright. I don't know what we're doing next, but I'll let you know when we get there. So, we've just been on Thrill Towers, the shot tower. So you just got on the shot tower, it was okay, it wasn't anything spectacular. I think the drop tower was much better. There wasn't that much force in the shot, and when you bounced back up, there wasn't really that much force.
But we did get a good view.
Yeah, we did go. Oh, pardon me. We did get a good view of Red Force and Junior Red Force. But yeah, it was alright. I don't know what we'll do next. Might be the blues involved, might be another ride, who knows. We had a brilliant time in Ferrari Land today. Really good. I'm not sure whether we'd go back again because there wasn't that much to do there though, was there? But it was really good, the stuff we did do, wasn't it?
Well, Red Force was all right.
Yeah.
It was okay. Drop towers, well, the shot towers we did, it was okay.
Yeah. But I thought it was quite good. Well, the Red Force probably, I did quite like the shot tower, it was something quite different, but Red Force,
It was a bit of a letdown.
yeah, a bit of a letdown. Not as good as Stealth, which is a bit of a shame considering, that's the thing we've been hyping up for the past couple of days. But anyway, here we are. So that's it for PortAventura now.
Summarise PortAventura, #1 PortAventura ride.
Oh, Shambhala, definitely. Best ride in PortAventura, can't go
Correct
wrong.
answer.
All the rides were good, though, weren't they?
But that's us finished with the PortAventura vlog and Ferrari Land vlog, so that's day 3 done. So thank you for watching. I've been George Wheeler in front of the camera, Shane O'Toole behind the camera, and finally, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up as it helps share it to a wider audience. If you haven't already, subscribe and join the Family Day Trippers family, and also hit that notifications bell so you know when the latest video comes out. Also, if you have a question, want to make a suggestion, or just say hi, please post it down in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.